Our CEO really wanted to tackle typical issues we have in our industry, whereby we have lots of employees who are working on site at clients' premises who can be challenged quite often, good, bad, or indifferent, and they need to be able to come back responding to answers, but answers they thought about and understood. And whether that answer can be, sometimes it might be a bit of a hold in, let me find out more information, but to do it in a structured and professional way. So I started talking to Indigo to see how we could develop some courses for people here in the organisation. We're a high-performing sales team who hit their targets, but where we were failing was that ability to think very quickly and adapt to the different types of clients. That's where the program has really helped. So the program wasn't designed to, we're going to make more sales. The program was designed to be more professional and thinking and coming out with credible answers to your clients when you're challenged about those answers. And this is something which was really important. The Thinking the Feet was just perfect for what we wanted to do. It really had this lovely structure and methodology of the threes, thinking about three things of how you're going to sort of deliver your response back to someone and be able to think very, very quick, almost building muscle memory in terms of delivering a conversation. And so I went on that course with a few others, really liked it, then started talking to our sales team about how this would work for our sales team. And the initial inquiry was actually just for the sales team. So it worked well and it fitted our methodology, which is literally thinking on your feet as you're talking to people, but also so it was good for if you're delivering to the board, if you're delivering to the exec team, or you're delivering to your team and you're suddenly given a question that you need to answer, but in your mind, that muscle memory clicks in and you go, right, this is what I want to do first. I want to consolidate it and deliver the message. So it worked really well for us. Well, the feedback was we found this useful, engaging, something, a tool we could actually use, and it's been exceptional without one complaint. Not one person sort of scoring it low and saying it didn't quite work for them. They couldn't see where they could use it. So, and that's really good in this day and age.